Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about how do we write mathematical expressions on web pages using HTML. We generally see lots of mathematical expressions like quadratic equations, linear equations, also matrix forms and other mathematical expressions on web pages. We write these mathematical expressions on web pages in HTML using MathML elements. All MathML elements must be wrapped between a tag called math in the HTML document. If you see the code, this is a HTML document. Here I have the body tag. Inside this I have to write a math tag to write a mathematical expressions. Let's write this Pythagoras equation, that is a square plus b square equal to c square. This is a mathematical row, so I am wrapping between a mathematical row tag, that is a m row. Here a square, b square, also c square, these all are superscripts, so we have to use m superscript tag in HTML to write a superscripts. Here in the superscript we have two things again. One is a and second one is a 2. A is the mathematical identifier, so we have to wrap that in the mi tag. Here I am writing a. Then we also have 2 here. 2 is a mathematical number, so this is a numeric. We have to write in between m and tag. So we can observe that changes onto the browser here. Then we have operator that we call it as a plus, that we have to write in a mo tag. This is a mathematical operator. So all mathematical operators must wrap into mo tag. Here we have b square. B square is a superscript, so I am writing a m superscript tag. Inside m superscript tag I have to write a mi tag for b, then mn tag for 2 again. Now we can observe that b square is rendered onto the browser. Then we have equal operator, that is a mathematical operator. We have to wrap it in a mo tag. So finally we have c square, that also are superscripts, so I am using a m superscript tag here. Inside that I am using a mi to write c. Then we have to finally use mn numeric, that is 2. So we can see a square plus b square equal to c square, which is rendered onto the browser. Like this we can write any type of mathematical expressions in HTML using a MathML elements.